this is Neil, and I am here at the driveway, and this is the Topdon. See, I've already opened up the box a little bit. It's the Topdon jump starter, and it is so cool. So if you have young people who are just getting their license or something like that, this is a perfect gift for them, or just anybody who's got an older car who might have some battery issues or anything, really even new cars, old cars, whatever. So what this does is this gives you the ability to jumpstart your car without having to hook up to another car, which is so nice, especially somebody who does road trips or something like that. I've used these things before for my boat. When I had my boat, I was actually at the marina one time just getting ready to leave, and the person next to me was like, my battery's dead, do you have jumper cables? And I'm like, I got something better, I got one of these. So let's check this thing out. I'm gonna open it up here and we'll see what's inside. And so in here we have the battery right there, and we have the jumper cables right here. So I'm gonna just show you guys the battery here first. So this is the battery jumpstart, and if I push the button on it, you can see it lights up. So it's got 3 dots. So I guess we're at 75% already, which is pretty nice. So it came with a charge. It's pretty decent size, heaviness. It looks like it's 2,000 amps, 16,000 mAh. So it's a pretty decent sized battery. So if you were going to use it to charge like iPhones or something like that, you could use it even for that. So it's good for just an emergency all around thing for the car. But here you can see this is where the ports are so you can just plug USB stuff in there, which is nice. And then if you want to charge a car or something like that, this is the probes that you get. So you just basically, I'm not going to do this here, look at they're touching each other. But yeah, you just plug it in, and then there you go, and you put the red on the hot of your battery, and then the neutral just goes on the frame somewhere of the car. So that'll give you the ability to charge it. So it's pretty easy to connect up, super simple. Oops. And that's that. And so you got the different areas there, and it comes with, you have a DC out. So I guess if you're gonna have something that has that type of plug, you could charge it with that. I don't know, that's kind of weird. And then you have on the other side, you have the USB-C in to charge it. So that's the input. So it looks like it's USB in only, so you won't be able to use it to charge some of your other stuff, but it comes with the wire here. It's a USB-C wire, which is nice. That means we're getting the newer technology. So it's pretty nice. And then here's the instructions for it. So if you need to know how to use to jumpstart and everything like that, you're gonna have the instructions there, basically hooking up to the battery and whatnot. Pretty simple. I like it, and I like this little case that it comes with. So you just basically just put it all back in here. Let me get it in there. And you zip it up, and you can just keep it in the back of your car, and then you are set and all good to go. And just keep it there, and that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna sit in the back of my car until I need it. I'll probably charge it up first, so it'll be charged and ready to go. But I love this kind of stuff. This stuff is great. It's by Topdon. So this is it here, and I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. So be sure to click the link and purchase from that link, and it helps me out a little bit. But it's Amazon, it's just from Amazon, and it's super easy to get. So definitely pick one of these up. This is what it looks like in the box, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks everyone, bye.